Basmati rice, 2 cups. Soak it in 3 cups of water. Add oil. Add the onions and the tomatoes. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. It's time to add spices. Don't worry, you can get the ingredients list in description once again. Add some mint leaves and some coriander along with for green chili. It's time to add masalas. Now let's add chicken. Add 1 cup of water and salt as per your need. Now let's add curd and a spoon of lime water. Add coconut milk. It's time to add the rice and close the lid. Add less than 1 cup of water before closing the lid. Now add ghee and close the lid. Keep a weight on top of the lid and let the biryani get cooked well. Wow! Look! The biryani is appetizing.